What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. We wanted to give you just a quick update on the 2020 Nissan Titan that we picked up a few weeks ago, the 2007 Toyota Tacoma that we picked up with the camper top, and the 2016 third generation Toyota Tacoma that we picked up from Copart. Picked up that 2020 Nissan Titan from Copart. It only had minimal damage. We had it on the road the very next day, driving it and testing everything out. So we got it fixed up quick, and let's go ahead and break down the cost. So we picked up this truck from Copart for $10,800. The Copart fees are $1,158. We bought a new headlight, $217, $176 for a bumper cover, $425 for a new windshield. We paid $50 for an alignment. And we ordered a new bumper from Nissan, and that was $1,000. $200 in paint, which made the grand total $14,018. And well, we listed the truck for sale on the Facebook Marketplace, and someone showed up about a week later and made us an offer of $20,500. So we took it, and it gave us a rough profit of right around $6,500. And according to KellyBlueBook.com, in an unrebuilt condition, that truck was worth almost $30,000. So we sold it for $20,500. We made $6,500 profit. And if this is your first time tuning in, this is what the truck looked like when we got it, the day we picked it up. And this is what it looked like when we got finished with it. It's a beautiful truck. It drove like a dream. But let us know in the comments what you think about that whole transaction. Well, this brings us to the 2007 Toyota Tacoma that we picked up with a camper top, a four-wheel drive truck with 216,000 miles. And this truck had minimal damage. We had to order shipping on that one, and we were able to drive it home the very same day. So this truck was on the road. We could have drove it home from Copart. It was a clean title truck, and it wasn't rebuilt. So we jumped right on it, and we ordered all the parts, and then we decided to give that truck the Earl Scheib paint job. We sanded everything down, and we started painting. I was on one side, and JP was on the other, and well, we painted that truck all over, and it turned out beautiful. So if you haven't saw the episode for the 2007 Tacoma, we'll link it in the description below. But let's go ahead and go over the total cost of this truck. So we like to break down the total cost of these things. And we bought this at auction for $6,800 from Copart. Copart tacked on $1,048 in fees. We paid $120 shipping, $67 for the headlights, $118 for the bumper, $61 for the grill, $19 for the flare extension, $15 for the headlight fillers, $21 for the fog lights, $40 for the antenna, $175 for the hood, $75 for the fender, $250 for paint, and then $65 for a fender liner. And the total cost was $8,874. And after we listed it for sale, we got a call really quick, and they offered us $12,200. So we sold that truck, and we made a profit of $3,325. But as always, we're really interested in what you think. So leave us a comment and let us know what you think about the 07 Tacoma. And believe it or not, we sold the 07 and the Titan within 2 days of each other. So that was really crazy. The Titan was on the market for about a week and a half before it sold. But the Tacoma, it was sold the very first day. And well, that brings us over to the 2016 Tacoma. And man, I fell in love with that truck when I first saw it at Copart. So this truck right here is a winner. I knew that truck was a winner. I still to this day don't know why the insurance company didn't fix it. It was only a $2,500 estimate. It didn't need that much, and they didn't. So it was our win. We waited on that truck to go on sale, and when we bid on it, and we got the high bid, but they just wouldn't take $10,800 for it. So they countered it up. They really didn't even counter it. They just rejected the sale, and they put the truck up for $12,625. Buy it now. And well, we just went ahead and pulled the trigger. We paid $12,625. That's $1,098 for Copart fees. I went and picked it up myself, so we'll just call that a day trip. We bought a grill, bumper brackets, park sensors, just a bunch of little bitty miscellaneous parts. And those parts came to $664. And that brings our total cost to $14,387. And well, at $14,387, we thought we were sitting in this truck really good. So we posted it for sale on the Facebook Marketplace. And just a few short days later, we got an offer of $22,000. That gave us around a $7,600 profit on that truck. So in the course of a couple of weeks, we sold those 3 trucks. We're not bragging by any means telling you these prices that we bought and sold these trucks for. It's just how it worked out. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you're the windshield, sometimes you're the bug. That's just the way that it goes. But we really want to know what you think about all this. So definitely let us know in the comments below, because there's no telling what we're going to buy next. But the key to it all is taking that trip to Copart and checking everything out. But I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. And if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. And don't forget to give us a follow on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. A special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you guys next time in that next episode. We're out.